Hi, this is All Around Me. My name is Gabriela Fernanda Ochoa Vera. I'm single. I was born in the city of Bucaramanga. I'm 18 years old. I study psychology in the UNAT and work full time at an island spa. I currently live in the city of Bucaramanga in the municipality of Florida Blanca, Santander. When I have free time, I always study. I often like to read, watch series, and also like to spend time with my family. Bucaramanga is known by the name of the beautiful city since there are more than 220 parks as well as green areas. Also, the main tourist places that there are the museum of modern art, the House of the Book, the Hill of the Santissimo, the Louis Valenzuela Botanical Garden, and the different shopping centers that are large and have different activities to do. In the typical foods, there are tamal santanderiano, the pepitoria, the hormiga culona, also arepa de maíz pelado. In Bucaramanga, there are many activities to do. I can go paragliding, I can visit the heritage town of the Giron, also enjoy the view of Cerro del Santísimo, walk along the paths of the Botanical Garden, bath bags, of I'll go to the National Park of Chicamocha, among things. Thank you.